Today's episode of the Dave Lorenzo Daily is special. I'm going to share with you one of the dirty little secrets to sales success. It's something that other sales experts or trainers or teachers aren't going to tell you. So for this critical information, I want you to join me on today's episode of the Dave Lorenzo Daily. Hey, I'm Dave Lorenzo, and with me, what you see is what you get. That's right, I am exactly the same way off camera as I am on camera. And those of you who've met me, you know this is true, and that is the secret not only of my success, but that's the secret to your success in sales. You see, there are people out there who have big personalities, and they're fantastic speakers. They're great on a stage, or they're unbelievable on camera and they vlog every day, and that connection they make with you in the camera is their special gift. You're a salesperson, and in your role, you have to make a connection with people. Maybe you're an entrepreneur, but your job is primarily to sell. Even if you're a business leader in a Fortune 500 company, every day you have to sell your ideas to people to get them to act, to get them to make things happen. This only happens when people buy into you and who you are. That means that you will do better being yourself and connecting with people on a human level than if you try to put on a different persona and put on an affectation to connect with people or to make something happen. I go into a lot of organizations, whether it be a Fortune 500 company or an entrepreneurial business with 5 salespeople, and I see people out there trying to be Tony Robbins, trying to be Brian Tracy, trying to be the late Zig Ziglar or Gary Vee or Grant Cardone or even Dan Locke. They're trying to be somebody else. They're trying someone else's personality on for size, and they try and go in and use this personality to close deals. In sales, that will only take you so far. You have to be yourself, and you have to connect with people on a human level. You have to make an emotional connection. If you do that, a relationship will develop, and the lifetime value of that relationship will be in excess of anything you ever dreamed possible. So the dirty little secret that you're not hearing from other sales teachers out there, sales trainers, sales gurus, is your personality is the key to your success. Use the strategies that you find here, use the techniques that I teach, use techniques that other people teach, use them every day, but adapt them to who you are. Because your genuine personality is your greatest tool in sales, because that's how you develop relationships, that's how you end up connecting with people, and that's how you make money over the long term. I'm Dave Lorenzo, and I'm back here every day with a great sales tip just like this. I hope you join me back here again tomorrow for another edition of the Dave Lorenzo Daily. And until then, here's hoping you do this and sell more.